They say Designrr can make a whole ebook in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's faster than making popcorn in the microwave. But can it really do that? Or is it just marketing hype? I used Designrr for a week. I tested it hard. I'll show the good, the bad, and the really ugly parts of Designrr. And stay till the end. I've got bonuses to help you actually sell your ebooks. But a quick note. This isn't a how-to video how to use Designrr. If you want a tutorial, check my other videos. This is a product review. Designrr is a tool that turns your writing into a nice ebook layout. You can import blog posts from here, Word docs from here, and create PDF to flipbooks, and you can even generate an ebook for up to 30 pages with Wordgenie. I'll show you a few examples in just a minute. A quick note on the price. There are monthly plans, but the plan you should take is a lifetime deal of $27. That one-time deal is enough for you to start. The pricing is simple. Here on this page, you get access for just $27 one-time payment. The other pricing, if you want to upgrade, there are monthly plans, a standard of $29 per month, the Pro $39 per month, Premium $49 a month, and for business $99 a month. I do not recommend these. Only if you want to publish your books on Amazon, and I really don't recommend that because you have to sell thousand upon thousand of books to make a living from that, so useless. So what's good about Designrr? A few things. They are fast formatting. You can import text, docs, and get a book layout fast. There are some nice templates. Some of them look professional. They help your book look real. Well, some of the templates are a bit outdated, and the one-time offer option does not give you many templates to choose from. You can make easy exports. You can make a PDF from easy stuff. I'll give you an example here that I created. It's from Google Docs. It'll take a while. Well, it's not perfect, but still, it made from Google Docs. There's some formatting problems here, but it works. And you can make as many ebooks you want on every plan. And then we have Wordgenie, the writing helper. This is a plus because it gives you a quick outline or start when you are stuck. And I'll give you an example here of a book I created with that. So this example is created with Wordgenie. It's 30 pages of text, and the design, well, it's not that great, of course. The colors are a bit shitty, but this ebook was created with Wordgenie alone. But there's a big but about Wordgenie. It writes kind of boring. It helps you make an outline, but if you want words that sound alive, I think you should use something else. Use ChatGPT or the free Raptor Write on Teachable. There's a link for that in the description. Now, let's talk about the bad stuff about Designrr. These are real problems you will hit, and the things that will slow you down or drive you nuts, they are rubbing me the wrong way, I can tell you. One of the bad things is no global settings. If you change your font on a page, it doesn't always change on all the others. You have to fix every page by hand sometimes. That takes forever. There are no mixed font sizes in one box. You can't make one line big and another small in the same text box. That's annoying when designing titles and subtitles. For example, here I can change this. If I try to change it to another color, see red, everything will be red here. I should put that away. So that's annoying as, yeah, it's annoying. And the third part, importing can be messy. If a document has a lot of pictures, things might move or disappear. You'll spend some time fixing it. And importing from blog posts, many times you get an error. But for this example, I think it will work. So let's put this in. Next, let's start. And here you get a little ebook for that. So sometimes it doesn't work and sometimes it works. So very nice when it works. There's a steep learning curve. Even with tutorials, it takes time to figure everything out. It's not super hard, but it's not easy either. Wordgenie's writing is a kind of dull. It helps you start, but it's boring and generic. You still need to edit yourself. The text needs fixing. You have to check the tone, the flow, and facts. It won't be ready to publish without your help. It reuses content. It doesn't create from scratch. Designrr's best job is turning your old blog posts or docs into books. It's not great at making new long books from a blank page. That's my opinion. It's not. These things slow you down. They mean Designrr isn't a magic button. It's a tool that needs care. So the ugly part, the stuff that really made me a bit mad. First, on the sales page, the ad about creating an ebook in 2 minutes, that's misleading. Yes, you can import and get something in a few minutes, but a good book? No. You still must edit, fix pictures, and polish the writing. That takes hours, not minutes. Secondly, the cheap plan limits you. On the low plan, you can only make about ebook up to 30 pages or so. If you want more pages in a book or publish on Kindle or create EPUB files, you must upgrade to one of the monthly plans. So the cheap deal is not the whole story. Third, the upsells are many. After you sign up, you'll see upgrade now everywhere. It's always trying to get more money from you. That's annoying and it's pushy. And the fourth, they don't teach you how to sell. Designrr shows you how to make a book. It doesn't teach you how to write sales pages so you can sell the book or get readers to buy it. You will have a pretty book with no buyers. That's the ugly truth, and it rubs me the wrong way. So yeah, this tool works in a sense, but the promise of easy money is fake. My final verdict is like this. Designrr is good to make your writing look like a book fast. It's faster than creating a book from scratch all by yourself. But it's not a full solution. It won't write great best-selling books for you. It won't always import photos right, and it won't teach you how to sell the book. Know that before you buy. Is it still worth to buy Designrr? It depends on what you want to do with it. If you want to format your existing books, blog posts, and more into a great looking ebook, then it's okay. But if you want to write a great bestseller from scratch, it is not worth buying. To do that, you need to be a good writer yourself. If you still want to try Designrr, here's a real help. If you buy through the affiliate link below this video, the one-time deal is enough. I'll give you my Designrr booster pack for free if you buy. It includes 50 ready ebooks you can edit. It's not just bad PLR. 50 sales pages made to sell these books. A short course that teaches simple ways to promote your books fast, not on Amazon. This fixes what Designrr doesn't teach you, how to sell. Okay? So click the link below, buy if you want to, and send me your receipt. I'll email you your bonuses and help you as good as I can. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more honest tests. Tell me in the comments, would you try Designrr with my booster pack, or are you going to pass? Thanks for watching.